What are you doing, Abby?
We're going into the jungle, alright? Ready? Let's go, men! Alright, so as we explore it's a bit bumpy, watch your step. As we explore this trek, you're gonna see some wild berries, alright? Don't eat them. It's okay. We'll continue our trek another day.
Another day. We're still doing it.
Onward. As we continue this trek, it's gonna get a bit dangerous. Alright, we're gonna, oh no. No. Are not friends. Well. I hear Bigfoot. Come on.
Okay.
What was your opinion on this nature walk?
I am scared.
If you look here, it's the Saratoga weed. They're very nutritious to our today's health. That was incorrect.
A very intellectual experience.